Here, the natural efficiency of the colony meets the automated precision of the modern factory.
The journey begins here, where precision engineering meets the bounty of nature. From these automated lines,
the workers forage far and wide, but deep inside the hive, the queen reigns supreme.
Inside the hive, the queen's work is evident. These glistening, C-shaped forms are the larvae, the next generation of workers.
These vulnerable larvae represent the future.
From this intimate view of the queen, we see the incredible scale of the colony's work, producing a bounty that seems almost endless.
The critical difference lies in their diet.
Within the safety of the honeycomb, the larva undergoes a remarkable transformation, pupating and finally emerging as a fully formed worker bee.
Here we see the queen, the largest resident of the hive. The queen bee is essential to the hive's survival. Beekeepers carefully introduce
A healthy hive can contain tens of thousands of individuals, but the survival of the colony depends.
The honeybee diligently collects the pollen, a vital task.
The waggle dance is how bees communicate. They move in a figure-8 pattern, pointing directly to the food source.
Nectar fills the crop, also known as the Digriatra vetulus, or as we refer to it, the cargo hold.
Here we see the intricate process of trophosis, where worker bees exchange nectar.
The bees exchange nectar, which contain complex sugars. The enzyme invertase breaks these.
Deep within the hive, the royal jelly sustains the colony. The beekeeper must carefully manage these thriving hives throughout the season.
This is the busiest time of day for them. When the nectar flow is strong, the whole apiary vibrates with energy. We look for
After uncapping the cells with the fork, we gently sweep the bees off the comb.
Inside the hive, thousands of workers maintain the intricate structure of the honeycomb, a marvel of natural engineering.
We are hoping this new formula protects them, but the contamination is spreading faster than we expected.
The pollination index just crashed. It's worse than we thought. We have to sell immediately.
If we don't address the systemic issues, we won't have bees left to pollinate our crops.
Centrifugal force is utilized to extract the honey. The machine quickly accelerates to 150 rotations per minute, forcing the thick liquid from the combs.
This raw, unfiltered honey contains thousands of small impurities, like wax and pollen.
The process requires precise temperature control, ideally between 95 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain the honey's quality.
As you can see, the temperature stabilized exactly as projected on the graph. We are cleared for the next phase of crystallization.
As you can see here, the enzyme activity decreases significantly when exposed to temperatures above 35 Celsius.
After careful mixing, the honey is transferred to these massive tanks, ready for the next stage of the process. Maintaining a steady 82 degrees Fahrenheit ensures the honey remains liquid during the settling process.
This is where the process becomes critical. The clear liquid, often a syrup, is slowly introduced to the pure amber honey.
While the authentic sample shows a clean spectrum, the analysis confirms our findings. We have detected clear traces of soos.
We've isolated the specific compounds responsible for the unique properties. The data confirms the exceptional purity and
They are happy here. The pollen is rich this season.
The larvae are bathed in royal jelly, a potent superfood that dictates their development into queens.
The viscosity levels are consistent across all samples, confirming the quality control data here.
The raw honey is first strained through a double sieve system, catching the larger particles while the liquid gold flows freely below.
After inspecting the healthy brood, we carefully uncap the honey, revealing the golden liquid gold beneath the wax.
From the intricate work of a single bee to the careful management of the apiary, the colony thrives through cooperation. From the gleaming machinery of the factory to the delicate blossoms where it all begins, quality is maintained every step of the way.